All right, we got Brett over here. Brett, what's your name?
Tyler.
Where you from?
Miami.
All right, today he's trying the smoked marlin dip. Fire? What's up, guys? I'm about to get tatted.
You gotta leave it on for like an hour.
The other day, got gifted some smoked marlin. I've never made smoked marlin dip, but I kind of conceptualized a recipe last night. Kind of want a little bit of Mexican influence combined with some Asian flavors. And I tried a piece of this already. It's like super smoky. I taste a little lemongrass, chili flakes on it, maybe a little fish sauce, and it's pretty sweet. Don't want it to be too spicy. Two pieces of the marlin. Oh, and they also gave me some Hawaiian chili, so I'm gonna use 2 of these. Kind of spicy, hopefully not too spicy. Cream cheese, light sour cream because we got Run Club. Oh my gosh. Quick taste. The only thing you really taste is spice. Garlic powder. We need to loosen this up. 2 packets mayo. Flavor that I'm going for is from this one restaurant called Seafood Cartel over in Aiea. Delicious and sweet crab mayo that they put on tostadas. Maybe controversial, no liquid, just the corn. You wanna grab a cracker? Get a little taster in there. What'd you think though, more corn or what?
More meat. You love meat around your house.
Yeah, that's it. That's the one. Like some of the spiciest chili oil I've ever had. I don't think he can handle it, but. The gift of the locals.
We'll try that.
It might be really spicy. Really, the chili oil is just for the looks. Did I just ruin your night?
It's not bad. I'm not a big fan of spice, but.
I'm foolishly patient. Can't get past the taste of your lips. Don't wanna let you out my head.
Just got the tattoo done. Got some Taco Bell. We about to hit the beach at night. Midnight right now. I got work tomorrow. I didn't even tell my boss I was getting this tattoo, but we lit. And we out here at the beach. Taco Bell, nachos Bel Grande. What'd you get?
The cheesy burrito.